Ah, he thinks he's funny. He says he's a comedian that makes everybody laugh. You're on, Rolando.
Oh, wait a minute. Ring the bell, bro.
Oh, no, we're not.
Oh.
All right.
All right, Rolando.